It's the year 1950, and a scientific study saying smoking cigarettes causes lung cancer is published. At a time when sales of tobacco companies were plummeting, there was one company whose sales were skyrocketing. That company held less than 1% market share, but it managed to become the fourth best-selling brand within a year. Marlboro revolutionized itself and tobacco marketing. You may ask how? Well, let's find out. In 1847, a man called Philip Morris started selling rolled cigarettes and tobacco products out of a small shop in Bond Street, London. One of the Morris's factories was located on the Great Marlborough Street, London. And that's how easily Marlboro was named. When marketing cigarettes to women was still a taboo, Marlboro was created as a women's cigarette brand, famously being called Mild as May. The cigarettes also had a red band painted around filters for hiding lipstick stains. The ad slogan read, "Beauty tips to keep the paper from your lips." However, market sales still eluded it. And then came the Richard Doll study, linking smoking cigarettes and lung cancer. Tobacco brands panicked. They claimed the study to be fraudulent and their product safe. Marlboro instead found an opportunity. Filter cigarettes were considered safer, but until then, they were marketed only to women. So that men don't hesitate to smoke filter cigarettes, Marlboro completely changed its brand appeal to target men. That's when the world was introduced to the Marlboro Man. Led by ad company Leo Burnett, the Marlboro Man campaign showed cowboys. The idea was to depict a stereotypical masculine man. The campaign was a success. In 1955, when the ad was first broadcast, the sales stood at $5 billion. 2 years later, the sales were up by 300% to $20 billion. In 1971, when cigarette ads were banned, the Marlboro Man smoothly swept its way through print and billboard media. While the cowboy silently kept squinting, the product was subtly promoted solely with its figure. Fast forward to 2020, Marlboro is worth $33 billion. Its parent company, Philip Morris International, clocked net revenues of $76 billion. In 2019, it had a global market share of 14%, second only after the China National Tobacco Company.